Happy New Year. It's hard to believe that 2023 is in the rearview mirror and we're now in 2024. Time flies. Seems like just a few years ago it was Y2K. We were all getting ready for the world to end. Here we are almost 25 years later and the world's still here and going strong. I don't know about you, but each year at the end of the year I kind of assess my goals, financial goals, family goals, health goals, whatever it might be. And because I love a good spreadsheet, I'm always updating my financial goals. And last year, I can say, was a pretty good year. I hope it was for you as well. And what I mean by that is the stock market did pretty well, and the precision capital investments did very well. Precision capital investments actually trended up in the return a little bit this year. But one of the things that often you've heard me say is, over a long period of time, over a decade or more, the precision capital return rate for investors or the stock market's very similar. So I get a lot of people say, then why mess with precision capital? Well, a couple things. I said it was similar. We have an auto fund that performs a little bit better, that type of thing. But the big difference is when you invest with precision capital, you'll notice when you get your monthly statements, whether you do the growth model where you reinvest your interest income or you take it out, either way, you'll notice that your return's pretty steady. We don't have peaks and valleys. It just kind of chugs along. As I said, it went up a little bit this year, but it just kind of chugs along. Therefore, if you wanted to take money out for something at some point, you just make a request from Pam or Darcy, we go through the procedure and you can withdraw funds. Now, certainly not weekly or monthly like a checking account, but the nice thing is those funds are there. However, if you look at the stock market, if I wanted to next month take out some money to put an addition on one of my rentals, and the stock market happened to be down the month or the period that I needed that money, I'm kind of SOL. Where if it's in a peak, that's great news, but why take the gamble? Precision, your money's just kind of in there consistently earning a very similar return, as I said. Now, does that mean you shouldn't do the stock market? That's up to you. I'm not a financial advisor. I do the stock market, and I'm heavily invested in precision capital. It's certainly worked out for me, and I know hundreds of our investors. I'll talk to you soon.